Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing with you the brand new Benefit Cosmetics POWmade Waterproof Brow Pomade, which they just came out with. It retails for $20 and you get 0.17 ounces of product. Here are the shades 4.5 and 4, which is what I'm going to be using in my tutorial today, but they do have 8 shades to choose from, and they're available at Sephora and they're also their website. But if you are looking for a bold and sculpted look, this is perfect. It's a 36-hour wear, it's waterproof and also smudge proof. Here's some additional information, like it lasts up to 6 months, and here is the actual packaging, which is super cute and matches their Benefit brow aesthetic. Now let's go ahead and look at the actual packaging on the inside. There is a cute tool in addition to the pot, which will help you smudge off the excess on your brush, which you need a brush for this product, which this is also a brand new product called the dual-ended angled eyebrow brush, and it's super cute. I love it so much. I use it, and here is the firm angled brush side and the spoolie, and in the middle you get the acrylic see-through with the Benefit sign, which is super cute. 4 is described as warm deep brown shade, still super neutral in my opinion, and then 4.5 is the neutral deep brown shade, also very deep and neutral, and I'm gonna just use both of them. As you can see, my eyebrows are naturally bald and thin and need a lot of help. So the bold and sculpted look is my go-to strategy, and this is the best product for that in my opinion. I'm just using that 4 shade to create a shape that I like. And with this brush, it's definitely easy to create that shape, especially when you can just kind of smudge off the excess product, which I think that is so genius of them to create for us. Now I'm going to take the 4.5 shade and fill it in. I'm just kind of slowly just playing with my brows, seeing how it goes, but I'm so impressed how natural this looks and how easy actually it is. And it blends out so amazing, and I'm just actually super impressed. I feel like this product is definitely foolproof. It's definitely good for beginners, and it's good for those who just don't really want to take forever on their brows, which I usually take the most time on my brows, but this product is heaven because I'm actually not taking as much time as usual. Now I'm going to take the highbrow to clean it up, and I usually use this product because I think also it is one of my favorite brow products that I have used, but it definitely creates more of a clear shape to the brows, and I feel like it looks amazing, and this is the end product. I also wanted to mention that that brush is such a great product. It's $18 and it is also foolproof in my opinion. I've been wearing this product for a few days now and I'm very impressed. It is smudge proof and waterproof and natural looking. This shade is perfect for my brows. But that was my video, guys, and hope you enjoyed it. Hope it helped you out in any way that it could. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Check out my other playlists, like my Benefit Club Pink playlist with all the Benefit products. And that was my video, and I will see you guys all next time in my next one. Bye, guys.